like to declare the 2008 World One Invitational open.
Come on, guys, come on up. Let's welcome the Warcraft 3 pro gamers. The StarCraft pro gamers.
StarCraft pro gamers. We have the 16 teams who will be competing in the World of Warcraft Arena.
It is my pleasure to present to you the world premiere of Blizzard's newest game.
Now, who wants to crush some demons?
Thank you, guys.
Everything is awesome. It's just great.
Simply big. Fantastic.
I tried. I'm thinking level 2.
Tonight they'll be performing some of the most loved themes from Blizzard Entertainment games as you've never heard them before.
Paris, faites du bruit pour Video Games Live!
Level 70 Elite Tauren Chieftain!
I am Murloc! Je suis Murloc! Raise those flippers to the sky, Paris. Last time, okay, Alliance and Horde together. 1, 2, 3. No doubt.